Hey guys, so we're up here in Pocono, Pennsylvania again with our customer Vinny, our customer Aaron. Last time I think that I did this vlog, I told you guys the intake air temps were really high. We were taking power out of the top end, trying to put power in the bottom end to be able to get a speed. We went 207 miles an hour. Pretty excited about that. First pass today, we went 201. The customer actually bumped it down a map, but yeah, 201 first pass out on 45 pounds of boost. What we did in between them was put the ETS fridge intercooler on the car, which we have in stock, by the way. The ETS fridge, we were seeing 221 degree intake air temps with the old intercooler. We were running 3 or 4 more pounds of boost now, and I just saw 120, 100 degree difference. So obviously we were able to put all the power back in the top end of the car. So on 54 pounds, we went 211 miles an hour, 211.7, which is the fastest GTR that's ever been here. So what we're gonna try to do now is we're gonna try to go out again. We're gonna do a 60 PSI map. I'm gonna do a 5 PSI, 6 PSI jump. And it'll probably only make 58, 59 pounds on this because I don't have the boost control super aggressive, or Taylor doesn't. And we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so fastest GTR ever at Pocono now. Second pass of the day. We're gonna go out in about 10 more minutes and see how it goes. Customer's obviously ecstatic. Running a 2-1, 100 to 150. We don't get the 60 to 130 because he starts at 63, 64 miles an hour. So anyway, so yeah, I'll give you guys an update as soon as we're done here and let you know how it does the next pass. Thanks, follow along. That's what's up, 211. All right guys, I wanted to give you a little update on what just happened. So we went out, we got a clean hit, 58 pounds of boost, 59 pounds of boost, somewhere in there, and went 214.4. Awesome. Two kind of bummer things about that. Number one, the scoreboards didn't work, so I didn't get it on video. Number two, that's the exact same speed as the record, 214.4. So now we gotta go again. So we're out here waiting for him to run. My heart's beating just a little bit. It's yeah, so we're shooting for a 61, 62 pound neighborhood. It didn't make it last time, so we gave it some more feed forward, some more boost control. And we'll see if that does it. Taylor's punching the keys back home. I'm loading the maps and helping reviewing the logs. They're just telling me Vinny's up next. So hopefully if she makes the boost and it's a clean pass, doesn't hit any safeties or anything like that, then I'm hoping this is it. So here we go. I'm not even gonna turn the camera off. I'm just gonna flip it around. Clean hit. 215.76. And that, my friends, is the fastest car ever at Pocono. What was the start? 65.14. So that was a traction control? Going nuts the whole time? Traction control. Congrats. Thanks, buddy. 215.76.
Stephanie, you cut off.
Good job.
No, that was all you. Congratulations. Congratulations. That's amazing.
Sorry, baby.
Great job.
You nailed that start. 65.1. Wow. Good job. Dude, 65.1.
We heard it and we were like, that's a pass.
Oh, that's cool. That's awesome.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Thank you for your help. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thanks. Good. All right, guys. Well, that's a wrap for me. Vinny's he wants to stay here and like beat the cars that went like in the 190s so that he can take this belt home. I don't know anything about the belt. My belt, I already just took home. So last pass, still didn't make a ton more boost. Boost control went in, made about 60, well, the lower gears about 58, 59, and then it made about 62 in sixth only. And it went 215.76. That's the fastest car that's ever been here by a little over a mile an hour. So we're pretty excited. This is something this customer's been chasing for about 2 years. He's been trying to do this, 2.5. Went through some heartache with some other builders, brought it to us. We fixed the car, brought it up here. It went 207, we put a different intercooler on it, and now we took it home. 215.76. And the best part is she's driving in the trailer. I think we did 8 passes today, over 2,000 horsepower, and the car's running perfectly. So Kate on that, customer's ecstatic. There's some other video that we've done in between all this stuff. I just wanted to wrap it up, let you guys know we're excited, everything's good. I turned him down a little bit. He's gonna go do a couple more hits with some people to try to win the belt. I think he's gonna do some side-by-side running to win the king of the streets, but I'm pretty sure that it's safe to say that he's already the king of these streets. So all right, well, appreciate you guys watching and hope you all enjoyed it.